In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Squarespace client portal. We'll be building this inside Squarespace using a member site, which is a great option if you want to give clients private access to content, resources, updates, or anything else you only want members to see. The setup is straightforward, and once you understand the flow, it becomes very easy to customize. To get started, open your Squarespace dashboard and click on Website. From there, go to Pages. This is where you manage your site structure, navigation, and any new content areas you want to add. Inside main navigation, click the plus icon to add a new page or section. When the menu opens, choose Content and Memberships, and then select Member Site. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a protected area that can be accessed through membership settings rather than a regular public page. Next, choose a template for your member site. The template gives you a starting layout, so don't worry too much about making the perfect choice right away. You can still customize the content afterward. Once the template is added, edit the name so it matches the purpose of your portal. For example, you might name it something clear and client-friendly based on the service or experience you are offering. After that, click Edit. This opens the page editor where you can begin adjusting the content inside your client portal. At this stage, you can update text, reorganize sections, and tailor the page so it fits your brand and the information your clients actually need. This is the part where your portal starts becoming useful, not just functional. When you're done editing, click Exit to return to the member site settings. Back in the setup area, click Add Page if you want to include more pages in the portal. This is helpful if you want separate sections for welcome information, deliverables, files, timelines, or other client-facing materials. You can continue adding more pages if you prefer, depending on how detailed you want the portal to be. Once the structure is in place, click Add a Pricing Plan, then click Create Pricing Plan to begin setting up access. Enter the name of the plan, then add a description so people understand what the membership includes. Keep both of these clear and simple, since they help define the offer. Finally, choose whether the pricing plan will be a fixed amount or a subscription. A fixed amount works well for one-time client access, while a subscription may be better for ongoing services or recurring membership. And that's it. You now have the foundation of a Squarespace client portal that you can continue refining to match your business and client experience.